So you're self-employed and you want to know how to calculate your self-employment tax. My name is Faye Jones. I'm going to talk to you about being a small business owner and the self-employment tax you might be faced with as a small business owner. First of all, take into consideration that if you make less than $400, there's no tax on that amount. But if you make up to $76,200, the effective tax rate is 15.3%. And you wonder where that number comes from. As an employee, your employer would pay 0.0765% of your gross earnings as a tax on your behalf. And you would have deducted from your check 0.0765%. You add those two numbers together and you come up with a whopping 15.3%. As a self-employed individual, that's the tax rate you have to apply to your earnings. You're paying your side of the tax liability and the employer's side of the tax liability, which is you. So I'm Faye Jones, letting you know that if you're self-employed, the self-employment tax rate is 15.3% if you make up to $76,200.